I mean, you
Now?
should.
Yes, I'm starting it now. I start the recording.
Yes, with your rainbow face and everything.
At the beginning of bwiefing time until mission success.
With Track IR, I can do like immersive briefings now.
Oh boy.
What do you mean?
I can pace back and forth while looking at you.
Couldn't you do that before with just
But
holding alt?
you're just running into
Double
the
tap
bwiefing.
alt.
You're running into the bwiefing table and like you're walking.
Well, you know, it's hard
Like
to
you're
tell which way
drunk.
you're looking and when you're walking with the Track IR, right?
See, I don't have that problem, and I do alt all the time. In fact, I do most of my flying in alt, so I can look around and not, have my helicopter or plane do extra weird shit.
You don't fly helicopters, Barner.
I do on rare occasions. You can
You
ask
did
Elax.
last week, or is it Monday?
That was Saturday.
Is it this week?
Well,
It was
yeah.
Elax's mission and test,
Oh yeah.
and I did a horrible job at it because I hate fucking flying helicopters. But it was how I could accomplish the mission. I did. I cheated, but I did.
Elax
How
can
did you- how'd
attest
you
that I am one of the
I
best.
brought it to a
gunners
near
that you
hover
can
and then
have
put auto
in an
hover on.
aircraft.
Auto
That's
hover.
good enough.
That's the only way I can get helicopters to touch the ground without fucking killing me.
So
You
you
just
get into
gotta-
position, press X, then hold Z.
Wait, X and then
Well,
Z.
is that not your auto hover? X?
Or
No,
is
I
How you
do it through the
rebound?
Squee
scroll
back?
wheel.
Are we waiting for
Yeah.
Squee? If we're waiting for Squee, I'm gonna get me
A rainbow
a
hat?
nice beanie as well.
Oh my god. He's gonna get shot first. Little does he know, I modified the values of the camouflage of it, and it's negative.
So it's where it should be?
No,
Jesus
I
fucking
wish you
Christ.
could do
took
that.
10 seconds to find that.
At the
knows
very
where
top
it's
of the list.
Yeah, right.
It's,
All right, mental gin. We have a
Get the fuck out of here with that.
we have a mission of the utmost importance here. Russians have control of this whole area. Pretty much the entire island of Chernaris.
It's not an island.
It's a coast.
The entire island of Chernarus.
Including Solichnia. We're
Secure
safe
the
in
boat and
Nizhnoye, which is
ambush
where
the
we're going to be
QRF.
deploying. Your objective is to head south. There is a boat in the docks holding a bunch of medical BMPs that we need for another mission for reasons that you don't need to know. You're not going. And you don't get paid to know.
Yeah, we get paid to do.
We just need to secure that boat. Call in the helicopter with the guys who know how to drive boats. And they will come in and relieve the Russians of it once it's secured.
So yeah,
We are
this is
expecting
pod
heavy
nozzle.
QRF from the south along the coastal road.
Oh, we're fucked.
We know for a fact that there is a fuck ton of Russians in Kamyshovo. So they're definitely going to be coming from there as soon as shit hits the fan.
What if we take away their fan?
That's a valid strategy. I mean, if you want to just fucking murder everything in Kamyshovo so there aren't any QRFs left, that's a valid strategy. Just know that the guys in Solichnaya are probably going to be on high alert if you do that.
What if we just kill them too?
It's actually pronounced Solnishny.
Okay.
Just trying to help you
Onechan?
out.
I'm not from Chernaris. I don't know and I don't care.
Me either, but I know
It's-
how
I
to.
don't get paid to care.
It's shittily anglicized Cyrillic, and so blinder is more correct.
Sol Nichi Chom Chamichanga, okay?
So what the fuck is up with Nishin the way, huh?
Don't know.
But it has an icon that you put on the map over it.
That's
That's
what
where
the
we're
boat's at.
starting at. That's the deploy marker.
Do you guys know Somnishny means solar?
Wait, so we're deploying at
Nizhnoye.
We're attacking
okay.
the sun and trying to defend the sun from.
Oh, so we're deploying
Shovel.
up here.
Yeah.
I got
See, I'm glad I'm not the only confused one because there was this little insert
That
marker
makes more
at
sense,
the
yeah.
road, and I thought that we were deploying at the town where we were taking
No,
the
no, no.
boat.
That's not an insert marker. That's an ambush marker.
All right, so we're deploying here, make our way south, and then
Yes.
set up the ambush where we get the boats.
You have to
Something with
secure
the
the
boats.
boats until the friendly forces can arrive via helo and steal the boat.
Are we waiting
Cool.
on AI?
And then we set up
Yes.
an ambush
You need to call them in,
for
and they will
Southern
come.
QRF.
How do we call them in?
On the radio.
Did you know that video killed the radio star?
I was
Yes.
just about to start singing it.
Oh my god, now I know what we're singing in the next vehicle. We got it, Elax.
Damn it! That's gonna be the next song. Elax makes somebody try and sing while not being able to give orders.
Yeah, oh god. Anyways,
Y'all
so there's a
missed
bunch
out
of
on the
Russians
mission I ran.
Solnichnia. Okay. They have
Alright.
roadblocks all over the island, so expect
Solnichny.
roadblocks. Solar City. Are they together? Questions.
Nizhny means tender, by the way.
Tender Solar City. Okay.
Well, at least I got a name for this upload. Tinder Solar City Boat Rescue.
You gotta look up what Kimi Shovel means.
Okay. Who's in charge?
Smiter, didn't
No.
you know? You were in charge the whole time.
I mean, there's only 4 of us, right?
5.
5.
What, you're on the ground too?
Did you?
William, do you
Hold on, I know
Oh, wait,
how to
Barney's
choose. I
name
know how to
wasn't-
choose.
go to the back of the class? That's
Last
Okay.
one on the
Go to the
briefing
next-
table is the team lead.
Oh boy.
I guess I'm team lead because I couldn't even get stood up in time.
Oh, they're not gonna all make it on there. They're gonna push
Fuck.
each other off. See?
Oh,
Oh, it's William.
I can't count though.
That's too bad. You don't need to count. You just need to get lost. That's what the lieutenant does.
Wait, Blinder fell off.
Yeah,
I was
but
no, but you
they
were
were
the
all on,
last
though.
one to
I
get
was on too. Someone pushed me off.
No, but everyone else but you was on at the same time. So
They pushed me off. I was on.
that's unfortunate. I gotta do the teleporter. So have fun with that.
All right, tactical blob, go.
I believe in you, William.
I think
Our
that
fearless love.
translates to reeds,
What
like
does?
cane, Kami shovel.
It wasn't a word.
Why is it even relevant?
I think it was just a name.
Because it gives us something to do while we were waiting on the briefing.
I'm sorry, if you look down, it's the bwiefing. No longer do we do briefings, we do bwiefings.
My apologies.
I know you.
No. It's not apologies. It's apologies.
I'm not very good at the.
We're gonna have to talk about some bound wooies with you.
Not very good at the Weebrew, my man.
God damn it. You will learn. You will learn.
Perhaps. I can fly a pretty mean Weeb 16 though.
Slanesh will guide you. Do not worry.
Elax can attest to that.
Yep. It's a shame that the firewheel stuff isn't working out for you guys for some reason.
I love the Firewheel stuff. What's going on? I've been only half
Actually,
attesting to
I think we only tried the F-35,
I'm gonna have to put
and it wasn't
Okay.
working.
I'm gonna have to put a goddamn timestamp in this video. Just like
Uh-oh.
it devolves into some bullshit. So
Hello?
this is where we get on the ground.
Yes,
Hello?
yes. Hello.
This is not
Happening to
Tarkov. Ah!
William seems to be suffering some serious desync.
Well, we lost him.
We lost his verbal contact.
Did it crash?
No,
Yeah.
maybe. Oh, you're moving normal again.
Oh,
Are we back?
you recovered.
I think
Awesome.
I think he's good. I
Wow.
think he's good.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I thought we lost you.
Like
it
you
just
just
me?
started like standing at attention and scooting across the floor.
Do you have a worm?
God damn it.
No, he wasn't dragging his ass across the floor.
It's like the first time I've ever
Are we good to
recovered.
go?
I think so.
So what's the plan?
Oh yeah.
Evidently, we don't have a plan. Should have fucking packed a lunch for this.
I mean, with 5 people, there's not much we can do. So
You have a ZSU and a mortar. If you
we have a
want
mortar.
a mortar technical, yeah. Did you not read the fucking map?
Oh,
No.
let me do something else. I'm gonna go grab another backpack to stick on
What's
my
a
ass.
ZSU?
An
That's
AA gun.
anti-aircraft.
Fucking 23
We need
millimeters. So
anti-aircraft.
fuck off.
Poot, poot, and murders everything, including infantry.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
Everybody should
it's-
load out. I didn't realize we
Is
got
the
3 guys
Podnos
with
a
fucking
mortar?
grenade launchers under their rifles. I'm going fucking auto rifleman.
Unarmed technical.
Go for it, man.
The Hilux.
It's just dumb shit.
Transport if you want it.
I actually took mine because I actually wanted the Hunt IRs. Why are you shooting me?
This actually proves the
I
point.
would.
This is what happened. This is what happens when Smiter leads an op, not
No.
Cobra.
Oh. Well, I mean, yeah.
I glitched it out for you.
Only a tender solar city.
Oh, I was gonna fill it up with.
We're deploying.
I needed to get mine on my chest first, and
Wait,
then
what?
fill it up with
Yeah, we deploy
mines.
at Tinder and assault solar.
Oh, I thought. What?
Nizhny.
I can't
means
keep
Tinder.
track of it. Oh, okay.
Oh wait, I still got space in mine.
I thought you said tender.
Yeah, Nizhny.
I was thinking
did
like
say tender.
tender.
That's the-
tender
the
nuggets.
definition.
like chicken tenders.
Tactical
Chicken
helo team.
tendies.
Yeah, Tim Tindies.
Spawning at chicken tendies and you're assaulting Solar City
Yeah.
because those bastards fucking ricked you on a bad sales plan. You're
Who wants to
paying
be?
for
Who
that
wants to
solar.
do the mortar
And you
stuff?
didn't get any of the rebates they promised.
Who's doing the
I'm-
mortar? Pew pew.
I was going
Are y'all
to
coming or what?
Hunt IR to help. I also grabbed some mines, but I can only fit 2 AT mines on me.
So far, we should plan is to head to the factory, set up the mortar, and then bomb the fuck out of Solar City.
I mean, I'm not in
And
opposition.
then we'll push it and set up defenses again, and
As long as
Repeat.
you don't hit the boat.
we just don't do the dock, and we'll be good.
I can't put my backpack on my chest for some reason.
Hello?
Howdy.
Hi.
Are you guys coming?
Oh my god, I got stuck in
in a
walk
sec.
mode. What did I do?
I'm gonna leave without you.
I don't know what you did, but I have.
Go
that
fucking
button
do
open.
it.
Oh, your backpack's on your chest. And mine is now too. Fine. Fuck.
Be there in a sec.
Okay, I'm good.
You're not here.
Stand by. I'm trying to get more mines.
You want more mines, I want more bullets. That's typical us.
And until I get to the truck, I can't run.
Ooh, I'm a fat boy. What am I doing?
You don't. No, you're not. You're just a dumb country boy from Kentucky.
Country road.
Some pipe error.
Take me home.
Wonder what the
Dude,
Russian
wait,
computer
your
is called.
acres
having issues. If you
I
go to
belong.
settings in TeamSpeak and add-ons, you can download the plugin, and it'll probably fix it.
Mountain
Mountain Mama, take me home.
Country road.
Where's this mortar of ours?
It looks like in the back of this truck.
Is it?
Everyone get in the
Oh yeah,
truck.
there it is.
We're
Oh, wait,
going
not
shopping.
Who wants to be the mortar guy? You have an artillery card?
I don't know if I have an artillery card on me. I do have an 82mm range tank.
I don't. Yeah, it's the 82. It's not the artillery, bud.
Oh.
Pretty sure. I don't know
Elax, can you
actually.
hear me?
I'd probably
Yeah.
have both if I were you.
Because we're supposed to sing "Video Killed Radio Star."
We're supposed to what?
We're supposed to sing "Video Killed the Radio Star" when we're on the road.
Alright, let's head out to the factory.
Yeah. Once we're on the road.
Yeah.
Are we all set?
I
Blind or
believe
ready?
so.
Somebody like to draw me a route on the map?
Yeah.
Commander William, what do we do?
I about spit out my fucking beer. Fuck you.
That's some pretty good weeb
It's
talk
so
he's got
quiet.
going.
Yeah, just go to the factory.
What's that, Lassie?
Lassie says go to the factory.
What is this like stupid cool like light rock music stuff that's being
know.
played?
I don't know if I.
Normally Cobra would just play something like ominous, like okay, you're going in, but you don't know what you're getting into.
Thankfully, we can play our own music.
Yes, we can. Did
Do you want to do
know-
the whole song?
I actually don't know the whole song, unfortunately.
I think I might.
Jesus Christ.
Let's see. They took the credit for your second symphony. Something, something. I don't know the whole song. Oh God!
You're going
I
off
can't
course,
sing and
oh
drive
God.
at the same time.
Ah, we've been
Oh,
armored.
God.
Video killed the radio star. God damn it. This is what we get for not knowing the whole song. Or at least not even just like starting at the chorus.
Alpha 2-4 has flipped their vehicle.
You're still in this fucking seat.
Ow!
Oh, they don't have the mod where you can flip it. That sucks.
Oh yeah. Do
That's
we...
that's unfortunate.
Oh, we don't have it. That's fine. We can
Really?
walk. We can sing. I'm pretty sure we can walk and sing at the same time.
That's true, we can't do that.
Something tuning in and used. I'm trying to remember the lyrics.
I don't know. If I had a second monitor, I could pull up the lyrics.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, Squee?
Yeah. Elax, Bonder, what are you off doing? We're walking.
We got armored into the ground, armaphysicked into the ground, so we're getting there.
Stopped and unused. Oh. You were the first one. Oh. You were the last one. Video killed the radio star. Video killed the radio star. What was it? Pictures came
Yeah.
and broke your heart. Oh. That's probably all I can remember.
Yes, and there's something about like we can't rewind. We've gone too far.
Yeah.
Beyond that, that's all I got. I love
How
these
far are we
moments.
supposed to go? They're in the factory.
Are you guys in the factory?
Yes.
Why?
We're gonna set the mortar up in the factory, and then it's gonna do its thing, and then we'll push Solar City.
Okay, you do you, I guess.
Let's see. What are some nice like?
Where are you in blind
Picking
right now?
sounds.
You guys back?
I can't believe that you fucking still wore that stupid rainbow-colored beanie. Jesus Christ.
We're on our way to the objective.
Yeah, if you guys can get some eyes, some targets, we can shoot.
We have 4 eyes, so that might be possible.
I love these moments with you. They're just nice. Just have somebody to sing song along with. It's just good.
Is that the? Hold on. How far do we gotta go here? Where are we?
We've got a hot fucking minute to go.
Yeah, we've got
a
while.
while to go.
I spy with my little eye something something gorgeous.
You spy something with your little eye that's gorgeous?
Yes.
It's you.
I can't look at myself.
I just did though. It's you. Right?
No. Well, maybe. Depending on who says it.
Ooh woo.
Hey, Smiter, could I get a teleport to them?
Jesus fucking Christ.
He wants to teleport to us?
To someone. I don't think it's us. Why the fuck are there seagulls here? Like, shouldn't they just be like frozen?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Mine?
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 I wonder if we can hotwire a car at this gas station.
Hello?
Hopefully we can.
Hi. I'm at start.
Look at the gas prices. $20 bucks.
Where are they at? Oh, well this is some like foreign fucking stupid... They probably use rubles, so this is probably like 5 cents American. I really don't know.
Oh, look, they got the fancy floating gas station technology.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Probably why their gas is so expensive.
Probably. You pay for the premium of the gas pump floating by itself. Oh shit. Taking fire.
.4 out on my way.
God damn it.
Squee, I'm coming with you.
We're gonna have to just fucking chill here dead. Hey! Alex, you good, buddy? Shit. Hey, can you chuckle fucks figure it out with that mortar? We're kind of fucked up here.
I left at the bar now. I'm coming up with you guys.
You're not gonna want to come on foot. We need a vehicle. We need a vehicle.
That's why I got a vehicle. I probably should have grabbed the one that shoots though.
That may have been a good idea. They're all over the main road and to the south.
Barna, if you could, Barna, you got that mortar? Stand by.
We can't stand by.
Are they around that bridge?
They're all over the... From what I can see, they're just on the other side of the bridge, and then to the southwest. They're all over the town, to the right of the bridge. I was about to say, how the fuck this tree has saved my life
Was that
so
team
much.
kill?
I wouldn't be surprised if it was a team kill, but it is what it is.
There is a armored vehicle approaching the bridge. Do you have a range on that bridge yet, Barna? I got, I think, 800 meters on that.
Hey, sorry, man. I didn't know you were friendly. Sorry.
Hey, it's alright.
If you want to help me with that stuff as well, that'd be great.
There's an APC. Get behind cover.
Yeah. Not that we have a lot of it.
I know, right?
I'm gonna go. Now I see the APC.
Come on, get back up. I took out most of the soldiers. Just the BTR out. Try to get a mortar team.
I didn't bring a fucking laser, Daz.
Run towards the coast. Come on.
Mortar team, right? God damn.
This thing, I can't figure out how the fucking charge up. I need to figure out how to get the charge to increase it out of charge fucking 0 so I can shoot that far.
Well then we're kind of fucked. Can we get a technical? Can we get something?
I'm flanking around. I'm bringing the technical up. Got it. Round 1 out. Throwing white smoke towards BTR.
Check your map. Big black fucking circle and scribble. Send shit there. Elax, I'm coming, buddy.
Blinder, are you okay?
Yeah, Blinder's good.
I'm on the coast, just below the hill.
If you're on the coast, be careful. I don't see that BTR anymore.
Me neither. Can anybody get me information on my splashes that should be coming down?
That's a negative. God damn it, where are the interactions? There they are.
Still a negative on those splashes? They missed. Long, short? Long.
Relax. Come on, buddy, wake up. Elax, you should wake up, buddy.
Ah!
Ah! There
After 1,000 years of slumber, I'm free.
2 more inbound.
Yeah, we got...
Are those friendly or hostile to the west?
I think that's hostile to the west.
I took them out.
We should probably get the fuck up in the town into some actual
The
cover.
driver's still in, but the gunner and infantry are down.
Got any smokes? Let's go east.
Oh, you're hitting
That
near
is
me.
not...
South.
We just got fucking mortared.
Accurate shots.
We...
You need more?
No, we do
no,
not
that's
need
fine.
more. God damn it. We just got fucking mortared by our own guys.
Blinder, where are you?
I'm dead in the ground.
Blinder's down, he won't be able to reply.
Yeah.
Blinder is, where are you at in relation to the gas station and the bridge? In between both of them directly.
Jesus God.
Blinder is on the right side of the road and Elax is on the left side of the road.
How can
Alright,
he
I'm getting
see
Elax
me?
and Blinder now.
How can he see me when I'm down? But he couldn't see me
Technical moving up.
Jesus Christ. This mission,
It's moving onto the bridge.
this mission's
I'm being
fucked.
suppressed, I can't check. Firing a couple more shots, see if I can't suppress them back.
Oh, you're just gonna suppress our guys back. God damn. I love that as I'm clinging for life, I can't, like, just press the radio button. Like, stop it.
In the bunker across the bridge.
Yep. Yep. That's the mortar shells landing. Those are the mortar shells landing.
2 more inbound, approximately 30 seconds.
It does. He's just gonna keep fucking killing us. If anybody actually watches this front to fucking back, I hope you enjoy it. I'm just saying that right now. Jesus Christ.
Were those closer on target, William?
Unsure. Don't have visual. Can you lay down some smoke on the bridge where you just shot?
Stand by.
That's what he should have been doing, sending fucking... Oh my god. Oh, Barna, if you're watching it, I'm not mad at you.
2 smoke, inbound, 27 seconds.
Comically hilarious, and I'm not mad at you, but goddamn you. Well, at least I'm getting a nice little smoke break in.
Splash.
Well, Elax is up.
What? What's happening? I have no idea. Did Barna show us?
Yes. Yes, he did.
Alright guys, I might have to go because I have to switch out monitors and restart and stuff.
Alright.
Thanks, William.
No problem.
Hey,
How are things
Barna,
going down there?
check your fucking fire.
I'll do my best.
If you were doing your best before, you'd better fucking just step off.
Been a little bit since I've done this.
I'm gonna go back and grab that Vic. It's like right over this, or right around the corner.
That's fine, we'll hold here. Or not.
Oh, what the fuck?
Boat! Boat! Oh god damn it, there's just always something is there.
Clear back west.
Reloading.
How mobile is the boat and what is its location?
I think it's good. Someone has actual direct fire on it.
I mean, ideally, direct fire is much, much better than indirect fire that's shooting out of the factory.
Oh, that's a BTR in the water.
BTR in the fucking water.
Mark on
With
map.
one rocket, that wasn't enough, evidently.
It's moving, Barney. I don't think you'll be able to hit it.
I got one more rocket.
I'm rolling out of your black blast range.
You guys hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna climb the thing at the one of the buildings at the factory.
Copy that. If you don't see anything, go ahead and move up. But if you do, just start marking stuff.
Yeah, which direction are you guys at?
We're pushing south. We're right in front of the bridge. We're along the coast to the east.
You see anything?
Got eyes on the BTR south.
Yeah, I see it. It's actually in front of me.
Are you guys pushing up the vehicle?
Blinder. Yeah. What are you doing?
Get behind the storage container.
If you can mark an approximate location of where you think it'll be in 30 seconds,
30 fucking seconds.
I might be able to try and hit it.
On our position. It's coming right towards us.
In 30 fucking seconds?
Watch that fire, though. I have eyes on our boat. I believe it's our boat. Yep, it's on us! God damn it.